Hello and welcome to the Array on Substance video. This is a fast one, This is like a offline renderer that you can uh, access on Substance Painter going here on this icon or pressing F10. You have the typical environment exposure, the camera settings, effects over the camera. I just here put a little bit of contrast and color correction. The source of face scattering in case you have skin. You can see a skin or you are doing a creature or something like that, and different kind of options. Something more to play with it. Okay. In this case, I'm going to go with a clear color. Okay, nothing in special. You have here also all the maps to change and see how everything is going. And the good part is that you can see here all the potential of your textures, and it's quite cool sometimes. Also, you have the ground to get affect the lights and all that kind of uh, situation. I'm going to with the Studio Tocomo, the normal one. And what's more, okay, so in shadow settings, we have the intensity of the emissive, okay, and displacement and tessellation is in case you are using displacement, okay, but we are not doing displacement, so no problem with that. Okay, regarding the override settings, so here's is you can override your viewport here, and I suggest you to put at least 50 seconds or something like that, okay, and put min samples of 100, okay. And now, as you can see here, the iterations are working on it, and once everything is done, you can save your render and build on the presentation on Photoshop, okay. This is something simple, but I just wanted to mention. See you in the next video. To export your textures, we have different ways to do it. Okay, because regarding the renderer, if we are going to real time, not real time, Unreal, Unity, Marmoset, or uh, we needed to go to Redshift. Sometimes we need to do different things. Okay, so for the exporting, we have to go to export textures. Okay, and we have here mm, all our materials. Okay, uh, and each one is independent. You know, with all the masks together. So I'm going to give you the two options. So the first one is going to be Unreal 5, that is now on the new Substance Painter, or you can go with Unreal 4 Packet. Okay. So what is going to this do is to give you these three maps: is the color, utility, normal, and emissive. Emissive because we are using emissive, but if it's not needed of emissive, this is not going to be to it's not going to export any map. Okay, so the utility map, you can see it here, real 5. The utility map is going to merge the AO, amino occlusion, the roughness, and the metallic grayscale, and the color is going to export the base color and the alpha, in this case the opacity map. Okay, normal map and the emissive one. Okay, later I'm going to show you how to put it on Unreal, and it's going to be the same in other kind of renderers, but for Unreal is this specific way to do it. But in case that we want, for example, to go to Unity, you have here a couple of ways to do it that is going to give you, sorry, let's go here. Metallic standard, final run is the normal one. He's giving you the glossiness, the full black, mix it out, and the metallic. Okay. So in case that you want to, for example, don't want to go to Unreal because you are more into, for example, Marmoset, or you want to render this on, offline renderer like Redshift, Arnold, to go into Maya, to go into whatever, you have to go with these settings, with the document channel normal EAO no alpha. Okay. And here is going to give you the base color, metallic, roughness, normal, height, emissive, normal, mix, EAO. And also, if you have opacity, it's going to give you an extra opacity map. In this case, if you are going to go in this direction and you, for example, want to use the height map, you have to go here and you have to go on TIFF, put it in 8 bits. Here you can change the size of the textures. Don't touch anything of this, in case you have something specific to do it. And here on the height map, okay, you have to click here and put it on 32 bits, because if not, it's not going to export properly. Okay. And here we can put it on new folder. Okay, texture test. Okay. And then we just click on export, and everything is going to be starting to exporting. Okay. And now that it's done, I will have everything here. As you can see, everything goes properly. Perfect.